Good morning, everyone. This is Pavani. Yeah, in my previous class, I told you diary entry and format and the useful phrases or sentences, how to make a diary entry, why to make a diary entry. I have explained you very clearly. So now I have come with the example. So actually, what is diary entry? I told you. Okay, the feelings which we cannot express with the other people, then we can express with our own self. Okay, that means what? With our inner soul we can speak. Nothing but dear diary you have to write. Okay, you are not writing to any friend of yours, you are writing to yourself, to know the feelings and how you have felt. Okay, that moment, at that particular moment, how you felt, whether it is the sad situation or the happiest situation, how you felt, you will write. That is what? Diary. Okay, so to write your feelings, you should have a separate book, that is only diary. Okay, so in that you will make a diary entry. And I told you what are the useful phrases to use when you start the diary entry. Okay, today I felt so happy. Otherwise, today it's a wonderful day in my life. Okay, like what? It's really very awkward to happen in such a manner. Okay, really I am amazed to see such things in my life. Like that you can start. So now here is one example. Okay, you were pulled up by the principal for wearing the wrong uniform. Write about your feelings. See, sometimes it happen. Okay, like what? For example, you take winter season. Okay, as in winter season we don't like to wake up early in the morning. It becomes late to even school or colleges, right? So now here, now you were pulled up by the principal for wearing the wrong uniform. Write about your feelings. So because of like what, it has become late, instead of putting, like, you will be having two uniforms. One is the regular uniform and one is the PT uniform. You will be having particular date, that on so and so date you have to wear PT uniform. Okay, so now what happened here? Instead of wearing, a child who has owned the other dress, the two dresses you will be having. Okay, one is the uniform, the other one is what? PT dress. Okay, so instead of putting on uniform, maybe the PT dress was owned by the child. So now when he or she was owned like that, what the principal has to did here. Okay, what the principal did here, let us see now how the boy or the girl felt. Okay, if the those who are listening this classes, what you have to do is, if a boy is writing this diary entry, you have to mention your name as boy. Here, as I have written my name, okay, you have to mention your name. Imagine that you are in the place of that child and you have to write this. Okay, why? Because particularly no child name is given here. Okay, I did not give any child name. Then you have to mention your name. For example, if any child name is given, imagine your Ramu, imagine your Ramya, something is given like that. Then at that time, Ramu or Ramya, whatever name is given, that only you have to use. Don't think that, okay, I am a boy, why I should write a girl name if Ramya is given. It's not like that. You have to write what is there in the given question. But I didn't give any name here. So you have to write your name. Okay. So now let us see. Already I told you the format. How many headings will be for format, like what, for diary entry? 6 headings along with the heading diary entry. Diary entry must be written in capital letters. Okay. And what are the remaining diary entry is one. Day, date, time, salutation, then content. Then is this is what? Name. At last you have to write to the left corner your name. You can write even date, only only time you can write, even right side also. Okay, but everything should be towards the left. Only time, if at all, if you want to write, you can write to the right side. Okay, is it clear? So now we will see. So according to the question, okay, the boy was like what, you were pulled up by the principal for wearing the wrong uniform. Principal was caught. Okay, so caught the boy who wore the wrong uniform. So how did you feel when the principal scolded you? Those feelings you have to express in a diary. Okay, so now here, diary entry, Wednesday, date, time. Generally at what time you will write diary? Before going to bed. Okay, 9:30 I have written. You can use your own time. Before, at what time you are going to sleep, before 1 hour you have to spare your time to write the diary. Okay, so now dear diary, you should not write any of your friend name. This is not a letter, okay, and this is not a message, okay, just this is a diary of your own. So you have to write dear diary. Now this morning I got up with a very big start. I saw the clock and realized that I was late for the school. So now what happened? This morning I got up from my sleep, but I saw the clock and realized that I was late. As soon as I have seen the clock, I thought that okay, then I understood that I was late for the school. Then immediately I jumped out of the bed and started getting ready in a hurry. Then immediately I got up from the bed and getting ready to go to school. I skipped my breakfast. Even I did not have on that day my breakfast. Okay, I didn't have my breakfast and I ran out immediately after getting ready without having the breakfast. I ran out. My father drove me to school. As it became late, my father dropped me in the school. So every day I used to go on my bicycle. Okay, that day as it has become late, my father has drove me to school. Okay, then as I was running up the stairs towards my classroom, I ran into my principal, and the first thing she noticed was that I had on the wrong uniform. So now see here what happened. As I was running up the stairs, okay, in a hurry, instead of getting into the classroom, beside that only there was a principal's room. Okay, there was a principal room. Instead of getting to his class, the child has entered into the principal's room. Immediately the principal, the first thing what she noticed here, see here, principal, and the first thing she noticed was that I had on the wrong uniform. Immediately what the principal has done, she noticed that the child is wearing the wrong uniform. She immediately began scolding me severely for my mistake. Immediately the principal started scolding that fellow. Okay, then after my principal left, I began to cry. Once when principal left the office room, now the child entered to his class and the child was crying, began to cry. I felt very bad that in front of my friend she scolded me. So immediately principal caught that fellow out and in front of his classmates, okay, the principal scolded him very badly. Because of that, that fellow felt very bad. And later I realized that it was the principal's duty to correct me. First thing, what do we get? Immediately we get angry either on teacher or on principal or on our parents, whomever they will scold in front of our friends. First thing we will get only anger, okay. But later on that fellow realized that it was the duty of my principal to correct me. So why did I get angry on my principal? Okay, like that we feel. Then I decided strongly next time I should not repeat it. So once when you get the punishment, will you do the same thing again? No. So then the student has decided I should not repeat it again. So this was the feeling of the child expressed in the diary entry. Okay, in this way you can make the diary entry which was happened in the school by you, what you have faced, what are your feelings. Okay, so down what you have to write, your name. If no name is given, you have to write your name. And you have to remember one thing is that diary entry must be like, you can write like paragraphs. Okay, now I have written in 3 paragraphs, 1, 2 and 3 paragraphs. We can write the matter whatever we want to write, we can write either in 3 to 4 paragraphs. Okay, so this is nothing but diary entry. And remember one thing everyone, diary entry must be put in the box. All the minor discourses must be put in the box. And to write the diary entry, what you have to do, it should be in first person. Okay, it should be written in the first person. And diary entry, when you are writing, you have to remember 6 side headings. Okay, what is that? Diary entry, day, date, time, salutation, content and name of the writer. Who is writing this diary? You are writing, so you have to write your name. If any name is given in the question, then you have to write that particular name. Okay, and discourses, minor discourses are for 5 marks. Okay, so if at all, if you write everything in a perfect manner by using all the side headings, and if you close the box, see, first 3 sides you have to draw. After completion of the matter, the 4th side you have to close the box. Okay, so it should be inside the box, then only you will get full marks with all the side headings, and the matter should be appropriate. It should be very good. Okay, and it should be like what, very clear to understand. Okay, So this is diary entry. Hope everyone have understood this topic. In previous class, I explained you what is diary entry and what are the points to remember, and I have given you the format of diary entry and what are the useful phrases whenever you write a diary entry. When you make a diary entry, what are the useful phrases or sentences you have to write, I taught you. And now in this class I gave you one example very clearly. So I hope everyone have understood this. So thank you one and all.